Today, I am going to show you how to produce the P sound, which is a short sound. To make the P sound, your top lip and your bottom lip come together, we turn our voice off and we go P, P.
You can follow NHS Lanarkshire Speech and Language Therapy Children and Young People Service on our social media, on Twitter at SLT North and at SLT South Lan, and on Facebook search for Speech and Language Therapy NHS Lanarkshire. You can contact us via our email address sltinquiry@lanarkshire.scot.nhs.uk or phone our helpline number on 01698 687 606.